They said we're going to see Elephant Island. I don't know where is the elephant. I never heard about that.
Welcome to East Monarchs, the French boy.
Guys, I came here on this cruise riding. They said we're going to see Elephant Island. I don't know where is the elephant. I never heard about that, but I want to try something. It take 1 hour to go there, and I hope I don't miss my flight. Yeah. All right, no problem. Visiting Elephant Island. Let me show you guys around a little bit. This is India Gate over there, and the next building, I don't know the name, but it's looking nice. I think it's closed. Yeah. This is Mumbai. My first time in Mumbai, and I'm doing this. Actually amazing. I had to get back maybe before 6. Otherwise I have to sleep in Mumbai here. Yeah. The breeze is amazing, you know. I feel good to be outside here. Really, really good. I really enjoy it. Please don't go there. If you go there, it's over. I think this is Arabian Sea of Mumbai. Let me go over there and show you guys some close view. Ooh la la. Oh, I think there is a small island here again. Look in the middle there. I think this is a small island. This is amazing. I think this is a port, and people are using this one here to. It's amazing. It feels so good. Oh my god. For free, just 260 rupees. And you have the privilege of doing all this. Amazing. I'll definitely do that once I'm back in Mumbai here again, you know. Yeah. Ooh. So I think this is a double-decker boat. There is first on the ground floor, and second one is where I am. I want to show you guys the view. That's why I came up here. Otherwise there is a down stage. Yeah. But it's good. It's just looking good when you see here. India, the gateway of India is there. Like there. Oh, there's some yacht. But I think the yacht might be more expensive than this one here, because this is a traditional one. The yacht will definitely be more expensive than this. So basically this is the Mumbai for the sea view. I have to keep this battery a little bit, because we are going to I don't know, Elephant Island, and once we reach there I'll show you guys what's going on there. So let me keep this battery for the meantime and show you what's the reason I'm going there. There are a lot of boats in the sea. Whoa, it's amazing. This is downstairs. Upstairs here. So if you want to have a nice view, click some pictures, you can come upstairs here. And I think this is a small island, or maybe no, this is not the island. Maybe, I don't know. I'm just tripping. And this one here is a small island where people also come. But I don't think there is much to see there. I don't think so. We're going where there is much to see. If you come into a place where people are going to a lot, you have to visit there. Yes, I don't even think there is one of my boss here. I don't even think he visit here. He's supposed to visit Mr. Jelopap. He's supposed to visit here. You know, in Mumbai, he's supposed to visit here. Yeah, from this view here, it's nice. When you're closer, you can see this view, but from here, it's nice. This guy is dodging it. Let me show you the driver. Simple, you know. Instead of taking yours, then you will spend a lot of money. It's better to just take this one here and spend 260 a boat, you know, because the yacht will definitely be more expensive. This is the captain here. This view is nice. Feel so relaxed from here, you know. Just come have a tour. Whenever you come to Mumbai, please have one tour here. It will be so relaxing, for real. You don't spend much, 260 rupees, and you are there. But don't take yachts. As I told you, yachts is expensive. This one here is a small island, or it's a man-made island, something like this. Oh, I don't know. Someone has to explain to me in the comment section below. Yeah. Oh, but yeah, you enjoying?
Yeah, sure.
I think they close the front because if you leave, human beings they will abuse it. So it's better to close there so that we can see that the backstage here to enjoy the view. The view is amazing. You cannot see what is going on in from there, but I'm sure there is an island there. Where we going, there is a lot of elephants.
Carvings of elephants.
Oh, there is no elephant there now. Oh, there were elephants before.
Carvings of elephants.
Oh, carvings of elephants. Oh, okay. That's amazing.
Big caves and everything.
You know, this is my first time to go in the island. It's a good experience. Guys, we are arriving to the island now. This is the island called Elephant Island. Yeah. I think I won't spend a lot of time here because my time is limited. If I spend a lot of time here, I might not be on time to for the train. So I will just visit a little bit. This is the island in the middle of the ocean. Arabian Ocean, I think so. Yeah. Arabian Ocean. This is the island in my back here. there is people who live in there. I don't know if you can see with the GoPro, but I can see houses there. Let's be close and I'll show you guys how it looks like. Hey kids, be careful, be careful. This is like the old version of boats and all, you know. So there's people where people going to the island, just going to visit, and you can come back by any boat. Yeah, as the captain just said right now, you can go visit whenever you want, but you can come by any boat. So we gonna see. I think we have to go down there and oh, actually by here you can see close this side of Mumbai. Look at this. Hola. We arrived. Elephanta. Oh, actually this name is Elephanta. The name is Elephanta Jetty. Maybe jetty means island, I don't know, but the name is Elephanta. Oh, I think they're building a bridge here. That will be the longest bridge ever. This bridge is so long. I don't know if you guys are able to see that. Yeah. But anyway, I'm going to take a tour to the island just a little bit and try to see what's going on, and I will be back because my train will be on time, so I should not miss this train. If I miss this train, I can't go to Noida. I won't be able to be in Noida to tomorrow on Sunday, so I have to catch this train. But this bridge is long. I think it's going to be the longest bridge ever. Wow. Okay guys, let's wait and go down to the island and see what's going on there.
Welcome to East Monarchs, the French boy.